Hare Krishna practitioners, I am Bhavna Popli. Today we're gonna do some exercise to get relief from your back pain. So let's get started. First we're gonna do cat cow pose. So come to the tabletop position. Hands parallel to your legs. Look straight. Now slowly take a deep breath in. Neck up, belly down. Hold. One. Exhale. Neck down, back down. Relax. Let's do the second exercise. Second exercise is Vakrasana. Place your legs straight, heels toes joint. Breathe in. Fold your right leg. Take your right hand back. Breathe in, left hand up. Look straight. Stretch left hand up. Exhale. Try to touch your left knee. Look back. Twist your shoulders. Hold. Breathe in. Neck back. Stretch your hand up. Exhale, relax. For the left side, bend your left leg. Take your left hand back. Breathe in. Stretch your right hand. Exhale. Hold your right knee. Look back. Twist your shoulders. Hold. Breathe in. Right hand stretch. Exhale. Relax. Let's do our third exercise. Lie down on your mats in Shavasana. Now we're gonna do Pavanmuktasana. Bend your right leg. Breathe in. Hug your right knee tightly. Hold your breath for 5 breaths. Exhale. Touch your nose to the knee. Hold your breath. Breathe in, neck back. Exhale. Stretch your leg 90 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree and relax. Now we're gonna do it from the left side. Breathe in, bend your left leg, hug it tightly, hold your breath, exhale, touch your nose to the knee, hold your breath, breathe in, neck back, exhale, leg 90, 60, 30. Now we're gonna do it from the both knees. Bend your both knees together, breathe in, hug your knees tightly, hold, exhale. Try to touch your nose in between the knees. Hold for 5 count. Breathe in. Next relax. Now we're gonna do rolling. Breathe in. Try to roll your body. Right and left. Do it for the 5 count. Relax. Now we're gonna do our fourth exercise, which is Markadasana. Place your hands 180 degree. Bend your knees. Knees, heels, toes joint. Breathe in. Take your both knees together right side and face left side. Hold. Try to twist more. Try to touch your knees on the floor, cheeks on the mat. Hold. Slowly come back. Now we're going to do from the other side. Breathe in. Exhale. Legs left side, turn your face right side, try to touch your cheek on the mat, try to twist, hold, one, slowly come back, relax. Now we're going to do our fifth exercise, which is Shalavasana. Come to your stomach. Place your both hands underneath your hips, chin on the mat. Breathe in. Slowly take your right leg up 30 degree. Hold. Relax. We're going to do it from the other side. Breathe in. Uplift your left leg. Hold. Relax. Now from the both side. Breathe in. Uplift your both legs together. Breathe in. Chin on the mat. Hold. 1. Slowly relax. Stay in the position. We're gonna do one more set. Rest. Now let's start again. Breathe in. We're gonna do it from the both sides together. Uplift your both legs 30 degree and hold. Relax. Now gradually come up. So these are the 5 exercises to get relief from your back pain. Hope you like the video.